Hello everyone, this is Akank Suman here. Now we are going to solve the questions based on the controlling force diagram. So in the question what is given? The nature of a governor is shown by the graph. The nature of a governor is shown by the graph between radius of rotation and the controlling force. We all know that the controlling force diagram is drawn between the radius of rotation and the controlling force. So which of the following is an isochronous governor? We all know that the condition for the isochronous governor or the equation for the isochronous governor is equal to F is equal to A R. This is the condition for isochronous governor. Okay. So in the diagram you can see here option C would be the correct answer. Okay. So option C, because it is passing through the origin if there is an stability of the governor. And what is the main criteria to decide whether the governor is stable or isochronous or unstable? The slope of the controlling force must be more than, if the slope of the controlling force is more than the speed line, then we call stable governor. If it is less than the slope of the speed line, then we call it as unstable. If the slope of the controlling force is equal to the slope of the speed line, then we call it as the isochronous governor. In the question you can see here.